Hello, I'm Jaden from XLR Security, and today I'm going to be doing a review of this Uniview 8MP LightHunter turret camera. This is the IPC 3618 SR3, and I'm going to be installing this camera at the back of our office, and we're going to find out exactly how this camera performs during the day as well as during the nighttime. So I'll meet you guys back there and we'll get this camera installed and mounted. This is how the camera looks during the day. The image is clear, colorful, and has an appropriate amount of contrast. Unfortunately, we do have some difficulties reading license plates from the vehicles parked outside. These vehicles are about 60 feet away from the camera, which is just outside the range for a camera with fixed 2.8mm lens. So, if you need to read license plates from a distance, you will want to consider a 4.0mm lens or a varifocal zoom camera instead. Next, we have footage from the camera during a cloudy day. The camera performs quite similar to before, with a pretty clear image throughout the scene. One thing I did notice was that the license plates were slightly more clear in rainy weather compared to sunny conditions. I'm not exactly sure why, but I suspect it has to do with the license plates being too reflective, which causes them to appear very bright during the day. If you have any theories about this, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know why this happens. Lastly, here's some footage of the cameras at night. We can see that the image is a lot noisier. However, we are still getting decent color information due to the street lights and exterior lighting on the building. After zooming in, we can see that the license plates are still readable, which is quite impressive considering the low light conditions. This Uniview 8MP turret supports limited AI features compared to some of the higher-end camera models. For example, only cross-line detection and intrusion detection are available from the Smart menu on the NVR, while other models support additional features such as face detection, people counting, and crowd density monitoring. This camera also supports the new Ultra Motion Detection feature. Both the NVR and the camera must be updated to the latest firmware before you can enable it. Ultra Motion Detection allows the camera to focus on events from people and vehicles only, while ignoring false positives such as leaves and rain. This is helpful for quickly sifting through footage, since the important footage will be highlighted red, and video without motion will be blue colored. Also, I almost forgot to mention that this camera has a built-in microphone. Here's a short clip demonstrating the audio quality of the camera. Okay, I'm here outside in the back of our office. So first, I'm going to show you how the audio quality sounds from my microphone. This is a professional microphone. So you're probably going to notice a very big difference in the sound quality and between the security camera microphone of how the microphone sounds like attached to the camera. It's important to note that our office is very close to an airport as well as very near a major highway, and there's a lot of background noise because of that, which is the reason why it's so difficult to hear the microphone from the camera in our testing. To conclude, the Uniview 8MP turret camera is an affordable security camera that provides great image quality and reasonable AI features, such as ultra motion detection. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles of some of the higher-end cameras, but for general live view and playback, it does a great job. If you live in Canada and would like to purchase Uniview equipment, be sure to contact XLR Security to set up an account. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.